How to disconnect TikTok from Facebook account. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, we are going to show you how to disconnect your TikTok account from Facebook. So let's just get right into that. So first thing first, open up the TikTok app on your phone. And once you're here, you can just go ahead and tap on your profile icon and the bottom right corner of your profile. And you'll be seeing your profile page here. Next, you can just go ahead and tap on the three lines at the top right corner of your screen to open up the menu and then click on settings and privacy. Okay. So once you open up your settings and privacy, you'll be finding this page. Under here, look for this option called privacy, which is right under account. Just go ahead and tap on it. And once tapped, you'll be finding this on your screen. So scroll down and you'll be finding this option called sync contacts and Facebook friends. So what you're going to do is go ahead and tap on it. And once you are here, you'll be finding this option called Facebook friends here. So under here, with this toggle option here, so if you have turned this option right here, if you turn this option, in order to disconnect it, you can just go ahead and turn this off just like that. And once it is turned off, just go ahead and confirm your action. Once you do it, TikTok will no longer be linked with your account in your Facebook. And that is it. You have successfully disconnected TikTok from your Facebook account. So if this tutorial helped, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more quick tips. And thanks for watching.